what impact that exercise had, John, in terms of the sort of cost of facilitating those repairs, moving from contractor to in-house out of interest?
So we had 12 months of data from the existing contractor that came over
Yeah.
to us. We're averaging unit cost, repair cost of £70 plus VAT. Now, I've spoken to others where it's in the hundreds. We term it internally as wooden dollars. I think trying to get underneath the real value of that with the
Yeah.
social value on top, we're really struggling to put a figure on it at the moment. But at the moment, it's £70 plus VAT. In terms of our budget, we increased our budget anyway because we were finding more repairs gone unreported, issues with damp mold and condensation. So our repair spend has increased anyway.
Yeah.
But has it cost us more than using an external contractor? No, it's within the same envelope.
Okay, that's interesting. And I know that figure from Inside Housing is obviously sector wide, but is the reason for that increased record spend cost of contractor materials and things, or is it increased sort of repairs program? Sounds like for you guys, it's probably the latter in terms of just increasing the budgets and spending more to do more. Then for you,
Yeah, it's a bit of both. It's increased requests. It's an increase on reports going unrepaired, repairs going unreported, which is a big issue. You know, people saying, "Oh, we didn't want to bother you," and yet there was some real, it could have resulted in major DMC issues under Category 1 under the health and safety rating system. So getting behind every door is key for us, and knowing our homes, knowing our customers. So, and some of it is not property condition related either. And you're not supposed to say, but it is lifestyle.